delete pages from your PDF. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your PDF pages from your PDF. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser. So once you're inside here, just click on this website called ilovepdf.com, which will allow you to manipulate or modify your PDF in a simple way. So all you need to do is just click on this all PDF tools and just click on this remove pages option. So now you need to select your PDF, just click on it, and let me just select any of the PDF file from my directory. So let's say I want to remove this page number 3, page number 5, and page number 7, and also page number 11. So as you can see the pages to remove here over here, and just click on remove pages and just click on download button, and then your PDF with the removed pages should be successfully downloaded. So that is exactly how you can easily download your PDF pages. So hope this video was helpful guys. If this was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.